Anyways, I'm pretty sure you'll get a lot. Your intro and all is so good.
I want that Honda.
Bro, just that you need to change your logo.
I don't have a logo yet.
Yeah, I made a logo. It's like a console.
Oh, loot board is over there.
Oh wow, the loot board is now marked on the map.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Bro, it's actually over there. It's actually somewhere over there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's somewhere.
Yeah. But the loot board.
This is a hot drop.
Wait, but in the map it's showing that the loot board is over there.
You guys, they all are near each other. We all are near.
That's actually a really good thing. You can use the mythic consumables. You can use the mythic consumables, okay? Oh, good job. But I think you should go for the weapon first. If I get a gold rapid, I'd be
I got the chest. I got the SMG.
Oh, no one's landing at the loot board. No one recognizes it.
Guys, can you upgrade?
Yeah, you can upgrade.
No, bro, the mountain is covering the loot board. That's why.
Guys, can you upgrade?
Yeah, you can upgrade it.
Yeah, you can upgrade.
You can.
But usually you get 2 weapons out of the chest, right? We'd carry that upgrade table if possible, then we can also upgrade. Dude, the top story one is mine. This top story one is mine.
Bro, that's a
I'm upgrading mine to a legendary.
Oh yeah,
I'll
that's
get the one in the middle of the boat on the top. I'll get the
dude, that's what I'm trying to say is mine.
Okay, then I'll get the one on the edge on the top.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Wait, hit the slow barrels too. Oh, we have to shift his zone as soon as we get our chest. Oh no, I got yeeted by bouncy. What do I get? Oh, I got a green. I got a purple bolt and a blue AR. Not at all bad. Whose henchman chest is that? Take that. Yeah.
Mine.
Oh, supply drop.
Okay, so I got.
Oh, I get side range.
Yay!
Dude, I got the range. I'm at range. Mine is really good. Blue AR and purple bolt. Not at all bad.
I go for Mars.
Sad, we both all got 2 weapons except you two. So it's technically like 1 weapon challenge for you guys.
I didn't get 2 weapons. I got 3 weapons.
What? 1 mini
Yeah. Didn't
Karen.
you guys get 3 weapons? I got this. I got this.
I got 2.
2
I got 2.
SMGs and a hunting rifle.
Guys, we have to shift his zone.
I need
closer.
hunt.
Wait, can we
I
side
need
grenade?
hunting
Can we
rifle.
side grenade?
No.
Dude, that haunting
What did
rifle
you
was
get?
from the supply drop. Who picked it up?
I didn't. I got a blue hunting rifle.
Not me.
That was a purple
No, I
haunting
got
rifle
blue
from the
hunting
supply
rifle.
drop.
I didn't pick it up. I promise.
Even I promise, I did not pick it up. Look at my loadout.
It's not. Okay, I'll drop my loadout to prove I did.
Whee.
Yoink.
You yoink my stuff. I guess.
I'm breaking this upgrade bench. Yeah, I got this upgrade.
Look at my loadout.
Dude, we have to shift
Just
the zone
two-
as
bro,
fast as possible.
All I have is 2 SMGs. Can we side grade our weapons?
No side grading. It changes the weapon itself, so no side grading. I'm at full shield, but no one was driving it.
I'm getting the chopper to you guys.
Oh, if possible, yeah, get it. We are coming on a boat on land. Because we are so sweaty. Fishing is allowed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got.
Yeah,
This is a good location for the loot board.
You're also allowed to loot.
Oh my god.
You're also allowed to loot. You're also allowed to loot chests for consumers. And you can also get like the grappler.
Yeah, the mythic consumables. I know that in the start of the game. So.
Guys, hop in.
Boat power!
The rescue helicopter is here!
Oh no, but the boat is not.
I don't know how I should do this challenge with only 2 SMGs.
Dude, that's the challenge. You don't know how. Yoid.
Bro, what do you mean? You got so much of like.
I have a boat actually. I'm so happy getting the boat because I hit all my shots.
For the whole game. Oh, this is
Mouse
not
of
ready for the
fire.
whole game.
Yeah. Heals and wait, so go for the yeet launcher. Maybe the boat. They didn't kill Meow, I'd be so sad. Dude, henchmen are still alive. I'm getting out of the chopper. Dude, Meow's still alive, I heard him. He killed a player.
What the heck?
Wait, let's see if Meow meets his daddy. What happens? Hey Meow, here's your daddy. Whoever kills Meow gets the message.
Gets the
He gets the message. Dude, he gets the message.
Okay, fine. He gets the
That's
Guys, I need
fair.
rocket ammo.
Wait, get the wall. We can get
Yeah,
ammunition.
actually get the wall.
And meds. Who got the wall key card?
Freddy.
Yes, let's go. I completed the big challenge.
Bro, he took the P90. Bro, Freddy took the P90.
I know.
Drop
I
it.
couldn't drop it. I dropped it.
Guys, can you give me some
Yeah.
sniper ammo as none of you have snipers? Oh, thank you.
Hello?
Wait. Oh, yeah, ammo too. Thank you.
Yeah, I have sniper.
Oh, thank you.
I'll just shut up.
You want me to shut up? Okay. But
Okay, guys, this time. Can you guys give me some this time?
why you eat both the peppers?
Bro, can I?
Oh, zone,
drop
zone,
one of my SMGs because I have two
zone,
SMGs?
zone.
Zone, yeah. Don't care about zone right now.
Oh, you have a launch pad? Oh. Hey, who plays that launch pad? Because I'm going to break
Who
it.
has the launch pad? Okay, yeah.
I'm building support
Why
first so
people-
that no one breaks it down.
Bro, look at loud you're like a bot.
Oh, I was just building support for it.
I'll go.
If you die to them, I'm going to rage quit. They're pretty bad. I'm getting laser out of
Do you
the
guys have
sky.
some air ammo? I mean, rocket ammo?
Help.
Because I need some right now.
Knock some dude. I'm going to shake him down actually.
What
He
is
needs
it?
SMG.
Bring these two big pots.
No, I don't need big ones, do I?
Rush this guy. Who's on?
Yeah, I'm going to pop that big, bro. I'll pop that big.
He's a real guy. He's a real guy.
Oh, where is he? Where is he? I can snipe him.
He lasered me.
Oh yeah, that dude lasered me too, so sorry about that.
Bro, this guy lasered me. I need to eat my small fries.
A small fry. Oh no, my small fries are gone. Oh, found a player?
Bro,
But he's a total bot. Dude, why did you take both the big balls?
Bro, what are you doing?
We are fighting people. He's bad.
Bro, what are you doing?
Where is he? Where's the enemy?
Hey,
Dead?
bro, what are you doing?
I was fighting someone.
Bro, this kid is real. Help.
Like so just jumps in and kills
Got him.
him. The yeet launch is overpowered, but bad thing is we didn't get any. But I mean, just shake this kid down. So you know why.
Bro, go reboot me right now.
Oh no, bad
Bro,
idea.
it's your
Bad idea.
mistake that you died. Stop blaming it on us.
Bro, when I edit you down, you get so
No.
cold. You did literally everything.
Crazy.
Oh, dude, there's a gold bowl. I would have taken that.
How
right
is
now.
it our fault that that kid killed
Yeah,
you?
yeah, that's actually not our fault. Hey, bro. Can
I'm
any of
rebooting Freddy, okay, guys?
okay.
It's
Wait,
from-
take his weapons. Which weapons did he have? He can only use those.
Bro, you can loot people's like mats and stuff.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
now. Dude, make Ducky.
I'm getting Ducky's farmers. Freddy, let me get you farmers.
Player on me, help. I'm dead because he has a shotgun and I don't. I sniped. Yeah, I'm shaking him down. So we know why he's. Wait, I'm gonna use this flat.
I saved Freddy.
Seems like they're coming in a car.
Crack. Okay, use for my kill. The default. Oh my god, what? Did they have any
Yeah, I think
messages?
it's fun.
Bro,
Oh,
Max,
gold shot.
Bro, Max.
Mats and mats. Wait, I'm just
Bro,
scoping on.
Take all of my,
Shots
take
near me?
some of my mats.
Shots near me, I'm rushing them.
Freddy,
Oh, this guy gave up. This guy just gave up.
You
It's gonna be way easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, that's true. This is becoming way easy.
rocket ammo. Oh, I need this rocket ammo, bro. I need rocket ammo.
Yeah, I'm coming to you. Soup, come to me. I have 4. I have 4 rocket ammo.
Wait.
Hey,
Did you let me eat him? Dude, stop doing that. It's pointless. Wait, Alexo, come here.
Two of the zone.
4 rocket ammo. Dude, I left 4 rocket ammo for you.
yeah.
Want to launch?
Someone get the upgrade.
Yeah, launch me, launch me.
Get the upgrade pen. Get the upgrade pen.
Too late. Dude, we have to shift this. I have a launch pad.
Mujhe please, can you give me your rocket ammo if you have some?
Yeah, I have 6.
Oh my god, we all had rocket ammo and I like so. Okay, I want rocket ammo. Wait, dude, Ducky just went into the storm like a bot.
Yeah, bro, I'm
Bro, wait, it takes me a minute to drop stuff.
I'm
Yeah,
getting
yes.
my upgrade pen.
Okay, I'm putting crash pads on the way for you then. Oh no. So dead. Okay, we have to go to next zone. Okay.
I just have to say that you guys are my best friend.
Thank you.
Yeah, boy.
I have 6 minis, dude. Ducky, come to me. I'll give you some minis.
Bro, I'll drop it for you later. It's not working right now.
Oh, I see my
Probably
rod
next
is
match
dancing.
Yeah. I know.
They dance for healing.
No,
Just
my
kidding.
SMG.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
No, you yeeted me onto a tree. I took 4 damage off you.
Yeah,
You yeeted yourself onto a tree. Yeet me. Yeet me. Yeet. Oh, we have to go to zone. Why are you yeeting me out of zone, boy?
I'm just filling up my big gold truck and then I'm going to zone.
I'm good. I'm really good. These are my favorite weapons. Means the bolt is my favorite.
Oh my god.
I never even knew that the suppressed SMG was this
Oh
good.
my god. Oh my. No, the silenced SMG sucks. It's
Bro,
not
can I have
good.
metal? Bro, can I have metal?
Bro, it's actually really good. Bro, if
Bro,
you
Oh,
if
my
you
Marauder
hit
spotted
like
me.
constant
You
shots,
yeeted me into
Bro,
a spawn when Marauder spotted me, boy.
Bro, give me metal. What are you doing?
Fighting Marauders. You are trying to sneak up on me.
I don't have much metal. I don't have much metal.
Don't fishing them off. Whoever's fishing them off. Stop it. Oh no, these Marauders have shield. They came from Slopey. They came all the way from Slopey. Dude, these are the Marauders. I hate the aimbot Marauder. Please. The aimbot Marauder is so bad.
Come on, truck. Yes, truck.
Wait, players with the orc?
I'm coming in my big gold truck.
You can't fight.
Oh, this dude's emoting on the... He came into your truck. It's actually so funny. I died to a Marauder. Dude, I hate the hunter rifle Marauders. They have aimbot.
My FPS.
I guess you have to restart this challenge, dude. You have to do the one henchman
Rahul,
session.
what you recording?
Yeah. Sorry to embarrass you. Dude, it's fine, it's fine. Wait, we have to continue this game. We have to continue a new game with it.
But it's cracking
Same
up.
gameplay, but hope we get
it.
one of us gets a shotgun. You gave up. Crouch, crouch. If you give up, you have to crouch. Then defaults don't understand what's giving up me. He'll die of fall damage instead. Oh, if you hit the launch this way.
You need to finish this game now. Finish this freaking game right now. You need to die like a
I hope
If
that
we
you get some
gold
AR
rapid
or
fire,
something
if
this time.
someone gets a gold rapid fire, it'll be so good.
Get the shotgun.
Dude, this guy's not
Bro,
even a
I
real
want
default.
an
You see
AR
the
at
slider?
Bro, imagine for me. Imagine for me. For me, it will just be me. Try to laser somebody from far range. 9 damage, 9 damage, 9 damage.
Yeah, so what?
And me for the 4 inch, 110 damage. Oof. Hold
Bro,
on, I'm
this time
recording
can
my
I get the
notice.
shadow henchman? Bro, can I get the shadow henchman?
Dude, I'm getting the center of the roof.
I'm going to the mountain. I'm going mountain.
Okay, then Alex Hope can come to boat.
Yeah.
Wait, bro, mountain? What do you mean mountain?
At mountain.
That Alex
mountain?
went last time.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see where the
Actually, I'll
boat
go
is.
secret.
You.
I'm lagging, that's for sure.
Basketball, basketball.
I dig myself again.
Basketball.
Wait, where's the loot boat? Where's the loot boat, bro?
By the here, loot boat near Fortilla and Holly.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's near
yes,
Fort Taylor.
Fortilla. But what do I care? Cause I am going here.
You get the chopper after you're done, okay? Get the chopper and come to us. There's this bug when you're lagging, right? You get kicked out of the match, you're still in the battle bus and you go to that mountain.
But when
It came for me.
I go to the loot house.
Okay, loot boat is one of mine.
You guys know legends never die.
Legends
Yeah.
never die. Okay, mother start singing. Shut up, cause it's so annoying. So annoying.
Legends never die.
I won't be with Fijioni. I won't be with Slapioni. I won't be with
Bro, that came from Boga.
Fijioni. I won't be with Fijioni. I won't be with Fijioni.
Okay, I
I
got
won't
Fijioni.
be with Slapioni. I won't be. Doggy on me. Doggy on me. Oh, we have a whirlpool on the way.
He is going to bark at me.
Bark at me. Bark at me.
I'm going to
Big boy doggy is so oldie. That's why I hate him.
I'm getting the one on the bottom. I'm getting the one
Who
on
got
the
the blue
bottom.
pistol? Who got the blue pistol? Okay, I'm gonna emote. I'll do the ninja style emote right before opening my chest and might. Dude, that's mine, Soup. That's mine. That's mine. Don't you understand?
I can
I got an AR and a purple rapid.
I got a hunting rifle and a SMG.
Okay, let's go. Mine is good now. Still, it was always good.
I got a flare gun and an SMG. I got a flare gun and an SMG.
Oh my god, a gold
I got
score.
a pistol.
A gold score. And a purple charge. And a purple charge and a gold score, bro. What is this? So rude.
And a
That makes me
pistol.
so
And a
rude.
pistol. And a pistol. And a
Bro, next let's do one chest challenge.
I think we already technically did that. Yeah, whatever.
Bro. I have a pistol.
Fishes have heels. Fishes have heels.
Bro, don't steal my floppers, please.
I'm not gonna.
Oh wow.
Oh wow, we
have
didn't
two
steal your
floppers.
floppers. Oh, I want to be with the apple on me. I want to be with the apple on me.
Oh my
Wait for me. Let's leave him.
My rod kind of shot. The most
Flower
I've ever seen.
Come on, my galaxy bow.
Bro,
Don't go far away.
Bro, can you turn off the radio?
Oh, by the way, did you know broken circles are back?
Bro, can you turn off the radio?
I already opened it. Rainbow Rental. Whee! Wait, throw the crash pad when I'm ready. Yeah, throw the crash pad.
I'm going to...
Whee! We should have thrown the...
My extinct bird.
Bye, I just used this whirlpool radio.
Oh no! No! No, I'm getting stink bombed! I'm getting stink bombed! What if
I took
it's
a lava warrior.
I had crash pad, so shut up. Oh my god. We haven't found marauders all the way there. You cannot live because you can't have fun. Die, kid. Wait, Soap, did you kill them all? Because I'm using the whirlpool.
You can't have fun. What does that even mean?
It means that you're a bot. That's what it means. Let's see. Yo, if I get sniped out of the... Dude, I'm getting sniped out of the air. I'm literally getting sniped out of the air, bro. Shut up. Dude, if one of us gets a shotgun, it'll be so good. I just jump onto a truck. Wait, let me get my truck. 1 sec. It takes seconds.
I have broken circle.
Oh, yeah, broken circles are back. That's what I hate. Broken circles are the worst.
Bro, more like circles, bro.
I'm fueling up my car, but by mistake my fuel. What? Is that a bug? That's my Lambo. I like that. Get up. What is wrong with you? Soap, you stole my Lambo.
Lamborghini. Lamborghini.
That's the worst song ever, but comes on a song.
Lamborghini.
Ducky, I came all the way for you. We don't need you anymore. Bye bye.
Lamborghini.
Car crash.
Lamborghini.
Can I use firefly?
Lamborghini.
Can I use firefly?
No, to deal damage to people, no. They're going off the road, right?
Can I burn down all the trees in this?
I want to pull over. Ducky just flipped the full chopper, bro. Ducky just flipped the full chopper. And I yoinked his chopper away. I made it to go to 23 HP.
Bye forest.
It's not like I'm going for a llama or anything.
I bet he is.
Bro,
Luck of the llama.
bro, don't kill the llama, bro. XD llama. XD Brahma. XD Gamma. XD Chanda. XD Blanda.
No! I was popping a mad kid, boy. Big boy mad.
Fireflies.
Fireflies! It was a very stupid song.
Bro, Laura, can you give me some maths?
No.
Or
Okay, yeah,
wait,
come to me,
I'm
come to
going
me,
to
come to me, come to me, come to me, bro.
Give me
You
some
also come
maths.
to me, bro. Don't give me maths, bro.
I'm just a mud flap on the road. Thank you very much.
I just want to. I'm technically a piece of mud on the road, so thank you very much. Dude, those deal damage. Come upgrade your weapon. What is wrong with you guys? I was like 1 centimeter away.
You just bullied me.
Fueling my truck.
Now throw the upgrade table.
Fueling my truck. La 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 la. Fueling on my truck.
Guys, you're so
Oh no,
cruel.
my SSD.
You're literally the most cruel people in the world, bro. Really? bye bye. I'm not your friends anymore. I'm playing on my toy now. I'm not going to play with you guys.
Yeah, just leave.
I'm wasting my launch pad.
I wasted my time.
I tricked you. I tricked you. I didn't even put my launch pad. You piece of poo. That's rhymes. No! I'm eating apples now. I'm sick and tired of your nonsense, so I'm eating apples.
I have 3 harpoons, so.
Guys, just leave Lauriel. We'll just use the heli. Leave Lauriel.
Bye bye.
No, I'll use my truck.
I'm using my Galaxy board.
I'm using my leg.
You guys are so rude to me. I use a Galaxy board. Oh, Bill!
Why is this keep going?
Why you guys go away to circle? You should carry me.
I'm dressed in my gun. I'm dressed in my gun.
Wait, why is my boost making me go backwards? That sucks. Can someone get me a chopper? Because I'm about to die to zone. I see a launch pad which... oh, I see the launch pad which... so placed. I'm breaking it down with the grab.
I've had enough with this. No, drop my other truck.
No truck, no truck. Guess what I'm doing? I'm being a total bot. There's a stream and what do I do?
No,
Why
we
I
only
see it?
have one kill. We only have one kill and they're just keeping the whole match.
That's what you get for trolling me. That's what you get for trolling me. But I come to save your life.
I'm sending Lauriel.
Wait, what?
Block.
I'm coming to save your life. I will collect your reboot card. I think I...
Block Lauriel.
Wait, what?
Time to wrap whoever killed you with
Tell
the truck.
him to unblock me, please. Can you unblock
How
me?
does open a purple hunting rifle?
Yeah,
I hit him for 1 damage. Are you actually kidding me?
With your card?
Don't let him take my hunting rifle.
Too late. He just aimed once and he hit his shot, bro. This is called...
I cannot hear Lauriel. I think what I know.
Nah!
Help, I'm lagging. Bro, I need help.
Okay, can you guys carry my weapon? Can you guys carry
He's rushing me now. I'll knock him.
Please, SMG ammo. Yes, SMG.
Someone come to me. I'm dead to zone.
Okay, I guess.
Lava warrior, take this.
What are you going to give me? Good idea though.
FTK, you
What,
could
guys? No.
reviving me, right?
Something about bro.
FTK, you could clutch up reviving me, right? From reboot.
Yeah.
Dude, Maya squad's down. Docky, please don't troll me. Yes, Docky's the only good boy here. Everyone else is rude to me. Why you blocked me, I
don't
Oh,
care
he
about
gave me fop too. No, he took his fop back. He gave me med kit. Wowee wowee woo woo. Wowee wowee woo woo. Wowee wowee woo woo. Wowee wowee
FTK is the
wowee.
nicest person in the world. Everyone
No,
says
Ducky the
that
Gamer is
FTK
the
is
nicest person. He's not. XG Gamer's bad boy.
I gave you the proper
Wait,
time.
XG Gamer, can you
I gave you
please
the
tell?
proper.
Wait, you didn't unmute me? I mean,
What?
You're bad
you-
at
I
this game,
clutch-
kid.
I-
For this freaking game.
Did you unblock me?
Now Alexo needs to win the game with a pistol.
Yeah, that. Grey pistol. Come on. But,
Okay.
oh, you want the galaxy? Now come. You can drive still.
Did you whirl around the campfire?
Alexo, bye-bye.
Oh no, I'm about to burn myself.
Alexo, please tell you talking. You unblock me.
I unblocked you the whole time and I
Unblocked it you. Okay, good boy. Now I get off his job.
now win the game.
Okay,
No,
challenge accepted. Mod flop.
Guys, I see my purple hunting rifle.
Help! Default shooting me from inside. These guys have shotguns.
no, keep freezing.
They're sweaty.
It's Lowry died.
Sweaty default.
Go. Let's go, guys. The Lowry died.
It's actually Llama Legend. I mean Llama Warrior. Okay, Lucky.
I got him. I headshot him.
Alexo is the best guy in the world. Yeet launch Alexo. Yeet launch me.
Oh no. Oh no.
Alexo heal me actually.
This boy is waiting for me. That's how laggy my game is.
I'm deleted. Oh, by the way, did you know I had the grapple? Hope you knew that. Yeah, you're laggy. I expect you didn't have. That's interesting. Wait, dude, go get your chopper, go up in the air, wait for last person.
Bro, Alexo, impulse for the skate out.
Oh, you tried that glitch. Wait, does that glitch work? Get out, get out. No, it doesn't. Dude, the default's actually good.
Kill yourself. You're freaking bad at this game.
My game is so freaking.
Okay, we have to try this again. Literally.
My game
Okay,
is so
let's give up
laggy.
on this. Let's go for a different one.